So in this chapter, we'll be discussing about financial newspapers and magazines because you're planning to get into banking sector, which is a financial sector. You should make a habit to read at least one business newspaper. Okay, and also you should at least know the names of major financial newspapers and magazines. So here we have included the most famous, popular financial magazines, not just in India, even globally. So at least you should be aware of the names. Okay, and make it a habit to read at least one financial newspaper in India and one magazine. So that will be keeping you abreast of the latest happenings. So when it comes to financial newspapers, the globally renowned business newspapers are Wall Street Journal and Financial Times. Wall Street Journal is the name which you have to remember. It's a very popular financial newspaper in US. And in India, the top business newspapers, you might have heard these names: Economic Times, Business Line, that is from the Hindu group, Business Line, Financial Express, Business Standard, and Mint. Okay, these are the five major business newspapers. Coming to magazines, uh, across the world globally, the top business magazines are Forbes, Bloomberg Business Week, Harvard Business Review, that is from the Harvard University, Entrepreneur, Fortune, and Economist. Okay, and when it comes to India, the major magazines are Business Today, Business World, Business India, Outlook Business. Okay, so in interviews they might ask like, do you read business newspaper? So it will be a positive signal if you say yes. So they might ask you what is today's headlines. So you should be able to tell that. So when you go to interview, definitely go through the that current day's newspaper, financial newspaper, what are the headlines and major news. And they might ask you what are some globally renowned business newspapers, some popular Indian business newspaper magazines, top business magazines in the world, India. So you should be able to tell one or two examples. Okay, so here we are providing images of the above publications. You can go to this and make it a habit to read at least one financial newspaper. Maybe not the entire paper, but at least the headlines and the editorials. That will give you a good roundup view of the key events that are happening in the economy.